Viewers, now we will teach you how to wear ihram. For ihram, you need two clean, unstitched pieces of white cloth. You will use one for covering your upper body and the other for covering lower body. Firstly, wrap around waist the first sheet and hold its corners parallel to each other. Now, put your feet a little apart in order to give a comfortable walking space to your legs. In ihram, you will perform tawaf, sa'i, and also will offer prayers, so you should be able to walk easily. Now, putting your feet apart and equally holding corners of the sheet wrapped around your waist. Hold it from other hand from here, and as per your requirement, loosen or tighten it. Then fold it from front side of your body like this and turn it halfway back in this way. Now fold it from upside in this manner. This way you will not require belt or anything else to keep ihram in place. You will also feel ease in walking. This is the right method of wearing ihram.